In this video I will show you how you can get gunpowder in ICARUS. So first step, you need to have tier 2 unlocked in tech tree, and you want to craft this crafting bench. And once you have crafting bench, you want to scroll to this tech tree to mortar and pestle, and you want to research it, and you want to also research this gunpowder. And to be able to craft gunpowder, you need to have sulfur and charcoal. And you can find sulfur just randomly by exploring a map. You can find it near stones, cliffs, or near edges of the map. And once you have sulfur, you want to get charcoal, and you can get it from burning wood in campfire. So if we have campfire, you just want to open it, and from here, if you burn a wood, it will generate this charcoal. So you can take this charcoal, and once you have also mortar and pestle, you want to open it, and from here you can craft this gunpowder. So that's pretty much it. So from 1 sulfur and 3 charcoals, you will receive 1 gunpowder, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.